I'm going to teach you how to delete your account and personal data from CoinMarketCap. This is a straightforward process, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure everything is done correctly. Let's get started. First, we need to head over to CoinMarketCap's website. This is where we'll initiate the process to delete your account. Once you're on their website, there's a couple of things we need to do. Look towards the bottom of the page in the footer section. This is where you'll discover the option we need to proceed. Scroll down until you find the link to their support page. Sometimes finding these types of links can be tricky, but just keep your eyes peeled for the request form link. Alternatively, if you want a direct route, you can enter the URL support.coinmarketcap.com/hc/nus/request/new into your browser. This will take you straight to where we need to be. Now, once you've navigated to the Submit a Request page, the next step is to choose the appropriate category for your request. You'll see a drop-down menu on this page. What you need to do here is select the option labeled as 20, Account and Personal Data Deletion. It's crucial to select this specific option because it's the official one designated for handling requests to delete accounts and any personal data associated with them. This just ensures that your request is directed to the right team that can handle it. With the category selected, let's move on to filling out the request form. The form will have several fields marked with a star, indicating they're required. You'll begin by entering your email address. Make sure it's the very same email you used when you signed up for your CoinMarketCap account. For the subject line, go ahead and type, Request to delete my account. This helps them understand right away what your request concerns. In the description box, you'll need to write a short request. A simple example could be, Hello, I would like to permanently delete my CoinMarketCap account and all associated personal data. My registered email is your email. Thank you. Additionally, if possible, attach a screenshot of your account page. While this step is optional, it's recommended as it serves as a visual confirmation of your ownership of the account. Finally, with all the information filled out, it's time to submit the request. All you need to do is click the Submit button that you'll find at the bottom of the form. Once you've done this, you should receive a confirmation email from CoinMarketCap support, which will inform you that your request has been received and will be processed. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll ensure your request for deleting your CoinMarketCap account is properly submitted. If you have any questions or need further assistance, their support team should be able to provide the help you need. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your request.